If you are wondering if you can recover deleted messages on a Nothing phone for A or for A Pro, then the answer is partially yes. So if we go to Google Messages and if we try to remove any individual message, so over here I have selected this message, and if I try to remove it, then over here it says that this action cannot be undone. So this means that if I delete this message, I cannot recover it, since it is not moved to trash. It is just permanently removed. At least right now, of course, as I'm recording this video. But if we try to do the same thing with a chat, a whole chat, so if I select this conversation and then I try to remove it, then here we can read that the chat can be moved to trash. So then we have 30 days to recover that deleted chat. So now I'm gonna just move it to trash. There we go. I can tap on my Google profile in the upper right corner, and here we have the trash option. Now we can just select whatever we want to restore, and we can use this icon here, this clock with an arrow in the upper right corner. So messages cannot be restored, at least right now as I'm recording this video. There is a chance that in the future, when you are watching this video, maybe the option has been added, but right now there isn't. And as for whole conversations or chats, then yes, we can actually recover them. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.